Hello, welcome to Forex Trading Strategies. In this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can scalp boom and crash using the moving average 9 and alligators. Okay, so let's move into the video in full. Okay, so before we get started, I would like you to subscribe and like this video and turn on the notification bell so you can stay notified when new content comes up right on this channel. There will be load of educational contents coming up that will help you perfect your skill at forex trading, that will help you trade profitably over time. So I would like you to join this big family. Okay, so that being said, let's move into the video in full. Okay, so I'll be using the PC version to explain this process, but you can actually repeat, you can do all of this using your mobile platform as well. So right now I'll be using the PC, so I will implore you to listen and get a note and a pen so you can jot down some few points that you need to remember. Okay, so seeing this place, so let's try and customize this whole setting so it will look a bit eye appealing, so we can work with it. First we have to change it to candle pattern. Okay, and that's great. So let's try and take away this grid. Okay, so I think this is more okay now. Okay, so this is the crash market right here. See, this is the crash market. This is crash 500, as you can see it right here, crash 500 using the 5-minute time frame. Okay, let's see if we can get any lower time frame. Okay, let's use 3-minute time frame. Okay, awesome. So now, okay, let's try and set up our indicators and add everything that we'll be needing. Let's add it to the screen so we can get started with the video. So the first thing we are going to add is the moving average 9. The moving average 9. So you just go to insert indicator, so it should be in trend, or okay, let's check here. Okay, okay, hold up. Okay, so this is moving average 9, this moving average here, so you set it. Okay, so we are going to, these are the parameters here. The period is 9, shift 0, the method is simple, apply to close. The style, I'll be using white here, white, because of the PC background, the PC chart background that is black, so I'll be using white. Okay, so on your mobile phone you can use black or red or whichever color, but don't use white because of the background. Okay, so I won't advise you to use white at all. Okay, so let's move on into this video and let's check some parameters that we'll be needing to create this awesome moving average 9. Okay, so I will leave it as a straight line here. On this other section we just choose a line that is a bit thick. Let's see this. Okay, let's press OK and see what we get. Okay, so you can see our moving average 9 right here, but I think it's a bit thick. So let's see if I can check the properties and reduce the pixels here. Okay, so perfect. So this is our moving average 9 right here, our moving average 9. Okay, so let's continue with the video. The next thing we are going to add is the alligators. Okay, we are going to add the alligators. Okay, so let's check what we can find. The alligators. Okay, this is the alligator right here under the Bill Williams. Okay, so we are going to customize this alligator too, so that we can get the best out of it. Okay, so let's check the parameters that we are going to use for the alligator. Okay, so the parameter is this, the just period is 13, 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay, we have 8 8. We have the teeth shift is 5. Okay, the jaw shift is 8. The lips period is 5. Lips period is 5. Okay. The lip this lip shift. Lip period 5. This lip shift. So this one is 3. Okay, this right here is 3. Okay. 8. Okay, this place also is 5. Here also is 5. Okay, then smoothed. Okay, then medium price. Okay. Okay, so let's check the color. The first one is blue, red, and green. I think they are okay. They are okay that way. Okay, so let's press OK and let's see our graph. Awesome. Okay, so this is our graph setup. This is our chart setup right here with the moving average 9 and the alligator. Okay, so this is our graph right here. So we can use this to analyze the market easily, and we can use it to scalp easily and make lots of money, or make passive money for ourselves. Don't let me use lot of money so that we'll not get tempted and miss our target. Okay. So let's try make some, let's see how we can play some trade and analyze the chart using these awesome indicators that we have right here. So the combination of the alligators and the moving average 9. Okay, so our moving average 9 is 5. So this is crash market. So the crash market, the best time to trade it when it is going up, when it is having an uptrend, like something like this. Hold up. Something like this. Okay, you can see this is an uptrend. We are using 3 minutes time frame, so each candle is created in 3 minutes. 1 2 3 4 to that extent. So this is an uptrend right here. So that's the best time of creating crash, so of trading crash. So if you are trading it when it's on uptrend, that will give you a kind of a smooth run for some time before it start crashing. If you are trading it on the downtrend, like the one we have here on the downtrend, you can see that it is not that stable, so it keeps bumping and bumping. Okay, so we'll be using this upside alone to trade it. Okay, with that being said, let's take this line away. Okay, so now with this indicator, you will know when to enter the market and when to exit the market. Okay, so let's get on with how we can pick the candle. So we can only trade, having said that, we can only trade crash when it's on uptrend. So we see moving average 9 here crosses the green alligator. So once our moving average 9 crosses the green alligator, okay, upward, once our moving average 9 crosses the green alligator upward, we know for sure that the market is about to take a new turn. So we can wait a bit to see it, so that we are sure that it crosses it up. Once it crosses it up, then okay, we are sure that okay, so we can enter the market now. So we can see that our moving average now crosses the green alligator line, it crosses the red alligator line, and also crosses this blue alligator line. So this is the best time to enter. Once it crosses the 3, so you can enter, or once it just crosses green, the first alligator line, which is green, and the red, then you can enter the market and pick like 2 of 3 minutes candle or 3 of 3 minutes candle. Okay, what am I trying to say here? Okay, let's use this as example. As at this point that the green crosses the red, let's say this is the candle that was forming. Okay, so we now entered and pick 3 minutes candle, pick 3 of it. So this is 1 2 3. That is a whole of 9 minutes for you. So if you are using lot size 2 and you are using lot size 2.0 lot size, which means trading on this 500 index, you are getting about $2 per minute. So and you are there for 9 minutes. That is $18 for a single trade. So if you're able to repeat it like 4 or 5 times in a day, I'm very sure you might have reached your target. So okay, let's check other places that we have that kind of example. Okay, let's see here. The white and moving average 9 crosses the green line here, crosses the red. So let's see how we can pick. Let's see if we can pick our 2 minutes candle here. At this point that is crossing the red here, let's say it's forming this candle right here. So let's see if we can pick 2 or 3. See, this is another 9 minutes for this is another $18 right here for you. So with $18 with this, so 18 plus 18, that is 36. So if you make 36 for the next 5 days, you know your capital would have increased and you'll be able to double your lot size, or maybe increase it by some fractions to make you earn higher. Okay, so okay, let's wait. So the green alligator line here crosses the white alligator line crosses the green and the blue. So as at that point of crossing it, let's say it's creating this candle, you're able to pick one, but it crashes down, but it went back right up again. So you're able to pick it. Let's say when it crosses it, you are waiting for it to cross the red, so you'll be sure if you can enter. Then it crashes down, so you wait for it to recover. It recover, then you pick your 3 minutes candle. You pick, okay, let's say we start from here. You pick 3 of it again, okay, making another $16. So 16 in 3 places, that's about 40, is it 40? Yeah, 40 something dollar thereabouts. So 32, 48 or thereabouts. You see, we pick one here. So we waited for the opportunity to come. We pick one here. So we keep on checking. We saw the opportunity here. We pick again. Okay, let's see. So let's see if we can see another one to pick. Okay, so you can see the green, the white moving average 9 crosses the green right here and the red. So as at this point, we're able to pick our 3 minutes candle. So let's say at the point of the white crossing the green, we are here. So we entered 1, 2, 3. So we pick another 3 again. So that is 16 in 4 places, making 64 or thereabout. Okay, you see now that's a whole lot of money. This way you don't have to trade for long. You don't have to over trade. Once you analyze the market using this awesome setup, you just get your money and leave the market. So you need to know how to be satisfied and set a daily target that is achievable, so that way you keep on making passive income, you keep on making small money, but at the long run it piles up to become big money or something tangible that you can use for good things. Okay, so let's check if we can get another one. So this is a good trend right here. So as at this point that this thing came out, that the white line came out of the moving average, the alligator, the blue alligator, let's say it was at this point. So we are able to pick our 3, because down here this is the point that it came out. So we are able to pick our 3 minutes candle, and that is 9 minutes candle. We pick 3 in 3 places, so that's 9 minutes candle, and we move away from the market straight. So that's about 5. So that is 5 right here. So I'm running out of arithmetic sharpness. So let's use the calculator. That is each 9 minutes is giving us cancel. Each 9 minutes is giving us 18. Sorry, I've been making mistakes, because we are getting $2 per minute, and 9 minutes we are getting 18. So each 9 minutes is giving us 18, and we've seen 9 minutes in 4 places. That's 18 times 4. Oh, come on. Okay, then equals to, so that is 72 right there. 72. So if you're able to make 72 in 10 places, like that's for 10 days anyway. 72 in 10 days. In 10 days, we all know the answer. But anyway, let's press equals to and see what it gets. Wow, that is $722 in 10 days following this indication, following these indicators, and following how I planned it out there. So this is how you make money. This is how you milk the market. You can use the same method for boom as well. Let's check our boom and let's see what we have there. We don't have the indicator, but the crash is like opposite of the boom. So instead of trading it on the, like right now that we are trading the crash on the uptrend, when it comes to the boom, you trade it on the downtrend. So instead of right now we are checking the moving average now, which is white, that when it enters the green and the blue down from down going up, then we try to enter it and trade and pick our 3-minute candles in 3 places and leave. So that is in crash. So when it comes to boom, we wait for the moving average now to enter from the up. So once it's entered the green and the blue from the up, then we can then enter the market and pick our candles and leave. So that is how it works. So since we don't have the setup on the boom, so I won't bother going fully into it to show you how it works on the boom. But once you get the strategy here, once you get how it works on the crash, you also get it on the boom easily. So like I told you, this setup doesn't only apply on PC, which is personal computer, it applies on our mobile platform as well. So we have all these indicators, we have the moving average 9, and we have the alligators. So, and I showed the parameter at the beginning of the video, so you can enter it and work on it. So if you want to make more money like I made and in all my testimonial video of my accounts that I showed earlier, if you need my strategy or custom indicator that will help you trade easily and make money, feel free to contact me. You see my contact details in the description section, so you see it there, so you can contact me for anything else regarding forex trading, how you can make good income from it. So I can teach you my strategy and my special indicators as well. So this is how you trade and milk the market using the moving average 9 and the alligators. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, feel free to comment, feel free to like the video, and if you like this video, feel free to share with your friends so they can learn new skills too and step up with their trade. So that will be all for now. So once again, I remain forex trading strategy. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.